Mark.
So, are you looking to make video with your phone, with your smartphone? Maybe you want to make videos for YouTube or for Facebook, Instagram, or any social media platform, and you believe that you need expensive equipment, you need fancy cameras to do that. No, you don't need that. It's not about fancy camera equipment or expensive stuff. It is about making connection. You could make great videos with just your phone, and today I'm gonna prove that to you. I want to give you five tips that you could use to make better videos with your phone. So right now I'm making this video with just my iPhone here, as you can see. Now the first tip is what I call framing. Okay, how you frame the video. Now, as I'm talking to you now, this is what we call horizontal video. So if you're making video for YouTube, horizontal, it's the perfect, easy way to go. Now, however, if you're, let's say you're making videos like Instagram or Facebook, sometimes you could do what we call vertical videos, just like this, right? You can just hold the camera and you can just talk like this. You've seen those Instagram videos. Very, very simple, just talking like that. But for most of the time, YouTube, we would do horizontal like so, okay? And the way I like to do is this. When we talk about framing, you look at what we have here, right? So I'm looking at the camera, the little camera right here. Now, if I am framing a bit too far, right? You see how this is a bit too far, right? And you can see the background, you can see me, but it feels a bit too much. I'm a little bit too far away from you, right? But if I'm framing like this, that's a bit too close. That's a little bit just scary shit, right? Now, if I'm framing like this, like imagine I'm looking at you like that. You can see my big fat chin, that's not so good. That makes you look fat. You don't want to do that. Now, you don't want to look like this either, because this, you look like a fucking 5-year-old child. So that's not good either, right? So framing, I would say something like this, horizontal, keeps it simple, right? That's the first step. Second tip is lighting. Now, when you're doing lighting, you can see this is natural light. I don't have anything fancy. I don't have any light, right? I don't have any light. You can see any light. This is just natural sunlight. Now, look at this. So I'm sitting here on the sofa, right? I'm talking to you, the very natural light. Now, if sometimes you see some YouTubers, they make this mistake when they make video, they are now, see how the light is in my background? Now you see how I look all dark and shit, right? That's not good. So look at this, look at the contrast. See, I'm a little bit darker because the light in the back, it's too bright, right? Get all washed out. Versus, see how this is more natural, right? So lighting, extremely critical. Tip number three, and that is, audio. How do you do audio? Now, the one little tip that I have is this. That some people, they might like to hold the camera this way or that way, whatever. Now, I do not like to hold my camera like this because look, you see the speakers, it's right here, right? It's right here. I prefer to hold it like this. Almost make like a little cup, right? And then you just hold it like this. So then you can pick up the sound, just like that, right? I can talk just like this. See how you see this? Nothing fancy, very, very simple. You can make great video like this, okay? Tip number 4, and that is stabilize. How to stabilize the video. Now, imagine this, I'm talking to you and I'm like this and you feel like there's some earthquake going on, right? I'm shaky, that's no good. So you wanna make sure you stabilize and just talk, right? Let's even, I'm moving around. See, my hand is not shaking like that, it's just like this, right? Now, sometimes you can use what we call a selfie stick. You know how you take photos? You can use a selfie stick. You can hold it and you can walk and talk at the same time. Or you can use like a fancy tripod, like in the background here that we have. This is like a fancy tripod, right? Or you can use one of those stabilizers, right? You can see how that works. That's Lindsay holding the camera, right? Again, we're making the entire video with just your phone, your smartphone. Tip number 5, location. So where you film, you could be walking around, you could be sitting down, like pretty much this whole video I'm making the entire video just sitting down. A simple location, don't get too fancy. Ideally, even if you're outside, find a quiet environment because your smartphone probably pick up a lot of sound, a lot of noise. I had some videos which, great video, but the sound quality is not as good. Keep in mind, unless you use one of those mic that you use that plug into your smartphone, most of the time your environment, your location is key. That's it. 5 simple tips. Make a great video with just your smartphone. No excuse. Now, if you want to learn how I make money with video, and you want to know how I make money on YouTube, how we were able to grow from 0 to over 1 million subscribers, click the link here or somewhere here and check out our 2-hour free training. I'll see you in class.